It's been over 48 hours since the tragic circumstances surrounding the death of Marlon Samuels, aka 41 Bushead. The police are yet to make a breakthrough within the case. However, we have some real chilling details to share with you in relation to the case. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Let's Talk, and we're about to discuss this on the program. If it's the first time you're watching, please remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell and click on all so you're always updated with our latest report. We'll be right back after this short break. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV Let's Talk. This is the place where we discuss issues of national importance, global importance, or the situations that are buzzing in the news. The community of Rose Heights in St. James, Montego Bay to be exact, is still tense after the shooting death of Marlon Samuels, more popularly known as 41 Bushead. As the police maintain their presence in the area, it's very clear that something is in the making, and authorities up to 48 hours of his death has still not made a breakthrough within the case. The St. James Police Division are trying their utmost best to prevent any reprisal after the shooting death of the popular TikToker and social media personality Marlon Samuels, more popularly known as 41 Bushead in Montego Bay on Friday night. The 23-year-old resident of 41 Rose Heights was shot dead by unknown assailants hours before he celebrated his 24th birthday. As the police maintain their presence within the Montego Bay area, the police are aware that trouble is lurking in the dark. So far, residents have expressed shock over the shooting death of this individual, as they describe him as a loving and caring person and someone that was not involved in any wrongdoing. With that said, the police are maintaining a strong presence in the area, and this accompanied by the military in order to prevent any fear of violence based on the shooting death of Marlon Samuels. So throughout this report, there are some names that I'm gonna keep referring to, and that is 41 Bushead and an individual who goes by the name Raymond Bushead. Now people have been asking the question, why was 41 Bushead killed and what was his association with Raymond Bushead? We're about to provide you with the shocking details of that now. So Raymond Bushead is a known underlying figure under the police radar in the Montego Bay Police Division, and would have been featured under the microscope a number of times in relation to some serious activities that took place in that police division. Raymond Bushead, 41 Bushead, what's the relationship between the two? So it's reported that the two are in no way related. However, they grew up together and grew up in the same household at one point in time. 41 Bushead was an individual who tried to segregate himself from the crime and violence in the Montego Bay Police Division. However, Raymond Bushead took the other side, and he has been featured in a number of shooting activities, including this one that I'm about to show you. In that incident, Raymond Bushead was a part of that, and he orchestrated a hit on an individual. However, the individual was shot 5 times and managed to survive. Raymond Bushead then went into hiding. The individual that was shot by Raymond Bushead managed to survive the attack, and after weeks of recuperating, he and his cronies took to the streets in search of Raymond Bushead. Now they search and search for this Raymond Bushead, but he was nowhere in sight, as Raymond Bosshead went into hiding. This is where 41 Bosshead came into the picture, and a hit was placed on his head in reprisal to the shooting incident that I showed you earlier before. Unknowingly to 41 Bosshead that he was now the prime target of an individual that he was associated with some years ago. So he became now the prime target of their reprisal in order to fulfill their own personal feelings about the shooting that took place earlier. This is why authorities are theorizing that there will be a flare-up of violence in the Montego Bay Police Division, as Raymond Bosshead is not a walkover, and he's going to try to get back some of these individuals who are responsible for taking the life of 41 Bosshead. 41 Bosshead was an innocent individual in this whole entire situation. It's just out of his association that his life was taken. An individual on social media with full knowledge of the incident shared what he knew about the whole entire situation that took place with 41 Bosshead. This some of you might find disturbing. However, I want to share this with you in order to open up your eyes for you to see what is going on in our wonderful country. When we look what has taken place with 41 Bosshead, this is a grim reminder of the callous and dark world that we're living in, and how people can just take others' life, especially when they can't get to the person who they're actually after. This is another case where you can't catch Harry, you catch him short. This is just a grim reminder of how people can be, and you have to be extremely careful with whom you associate yourself with, because when individuals are in search of them and they can't get to them, you become their next target.
On the third screen record, me talk, cause this a go viral. Bosshead have one brother named Raymond Bosshead. He go shoot man, give man 5 shot, a man live. A man Bosshead for retaliation. And that happen. Yeah. Then start one war mobile. That's why Fred man them run they come a foreign. Because the Fred man them have to run me because then start war and then a problem. This a boy with the palm, them showing Raymond Bosshead. On the go on this spot and say Raymond Bosshead. Raymond Bosshead, who know Raymond Bosshead? He go shot man because man a link with man. A man live, man get 5 shot and live. A man Bosshead. Me not rejoice over him, but he got blood and brother cast in death. He said war half squash them, run the left people and for dead. Big stinking Raymond, they make your best. Well, go and go. I know me if you come for Raymond, but I come try kill me now. Because man, we are shot him live. And he bust out, to him and did busted face. I'm sorry for him that. I'm sorry for busted you. I'm sorry for him people, but yeah. The end of dog. You see me? A Raymond make him man dead, bro. Raymond busted. Him brother. You see me? You see me? I tell him man, Raymond busted a crosses. He make him man dead. So boy Raymond busted that you make him man dead. You better go defend him man dead. I said man them your shot. Kill him man. You know where you shot. What make him enter a jail, batty boy, because they come out destruction to follow yard. Man shut up your yard where they come for you. No man can't kill up your brother. Yeah, destruction. Police no can't kill Raymond Bosshead. The police don't go kill Raymond Bosshead. I make Bosshead dead, he go shot man. He said man will give 5 shot. Where there? The police don't kill Raymond Bosshead. Raymond Bosshead, the police don't kill. He on this spot. I go show him. The word Raymond Bosshead.
So that individual detailed the real incident behind the shooting death of 41 Bosshead, and authorities now are looking into these possible options as a way of start investigating the matter. In the meantime, 41 Bosshead grandmother is reflecting on the wonderful memories that she shared with this young man and just took the time to reminisce on these wonderful moments.
Proud of him. We make me feel good. Because we see him say no turn out bad man. He no turn out criminal, he no turn out gunman, he no turn nothing that is bad. He hold up his head.
Wrong.
And then his grandson and they kill him. They kill him for nothing. But God see everybody. God know everything. And what I don't do, and what you don't do, others will do it. But me and the granny leave everything in the hands of God. Because I know who do it. Them will never sleep comfortable.
Oh boy. Bro.
Them don't sleep comfortable. Their conscience going dig them right through until the day them die. Because them kill an innocent man. I leave everything in the hands of God. And I can tell you, TikTokers, thanks. Thanks. All I want to tell thanks. Whether I don't have forgive, I don't have forgive, I give thanks and praise. If I have the condolence, I give thanks to all of you people. All of you people. Because you helped my grandson be what he is before him dead. You help, you all help. In the part where we choose to make a living, all I want to help. So I'm giving you thanks. Thank you very much. And further on, as I make plans for him to be buried, you all will hear. John Gotti will make the whole on hear. Who can come to support, give thanks. Who the foreigner can come, me still give thanks. To the whole on. Whether they can give towards it or they can't give towards it, no problem, me give thanks. I me love the whole on. Me love nobody. With tears in my eye, and my heart full, they can't tell you to say, thank you. Thank God for everything. Alright? Have a blessed night, say the boss come. So I got to turn her back over to this boss man here. I'm friend. Alright, thank you.
Bro.
A friend that was there at the time of the shooting death of 41 Bossed also shared the final moments leading up to the shooting incident. He could have been a victim of this attack as well. However, he survived and is able to tell his side of the story and what he saw.
Police back. In a police car back. Me and him. Bro, I'm the closest. The boss said when he dead. Zin. Yeah, bro. Man, lick out boss said it, brother. Man, me go back down there, brother, and look for your amount of blood where they bleed out and man head top, bro. Zin. Yeah, bro, cause first shot where boss said get a head shot. You hear me tell her? Cause when he call me now, remember say, he have to look when me there, so. So by the time I come, so, me hear people say, oh, people creech up and boss said, nobody no come from the back way. I saw it.
Come the back door there.
Eh?
Come the back door.
Right now, bro, I'm not even telling you no lie. Right now, me cut up, me hurt. Bro, me lose my friend. Me lose my friend. Me not no friend again for wake up. Granny mash up. Who ask where granny there? Granny mash up. Granny eye them swell big so. Zin? Yeah. Me not telling you no lie. Chap lad. Me see you last night. Who want to see you? One left. Tell them say I want my money up on my yard. Me can't left you live yet. Or me have to go just make a call make somebody can pack a cigarette. The street no respect nobody, but by the end of the day, but say nothing dead so. Because I like we there be alerts or we are run around or we are have a drink this so. A man come kill off a way or whatever in enough farm away. Zin, me I tell you. You see streets and program and phone and all of them something there, believe got it. Me I tell you say, if boss said never say, me if put me bag in the car, you could never ever hear from me. Me I tell you, me gone to the dogs. Me and him would only live down around there. And me and him power, bro. Who know about said when I know me? Who know about said when I know me? Eh? And 3 man tell me if you put my bag in a car, me not fi walk with the bag. And that's it. That's it.
As the police continue their investigation into this shooting incident, social media users are still reminiscing as well on the shooting death of popular TikToker Naya Gang, who was also another popular figure in the social media TikTok world, and he too became a victim of gun violence. As we look forward, we are hoping that we don't have to do any more reports such as these, and we are hoping that justice will be served for both family, 41 Bossed and Naya Gang. As the authorities continue with the investigation, we are just hoping that everything will go well, and from now on into the Christmas period, that no more life will be taken. This is where though we're gonna leave this report here for now. This has been Links 007 TV Let's Talk. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please do so. Peace out and have a blessed and productive day from the Links TV team.